Why ancient Indians meditated before sunrise. This one ancient practice could hold the key to unlocking your mind's potential. Every morning, before the world woke up, before the noise, before the sunlight, ancient Indian sages sat in complete silence. Why? Was it purely spiritual? Or did they understand something about the human mind that modern science is only now discovering? Today, neuroscience, biology, and sleep research are revealing something fascinating. The human brain behaves very differently before sunrise, and thousands of years ago. Ancient Indians built entire spiritual practices around it. In ancient Indian traditions, the time before sunrise was called Brahma Muhurta, roughly 1 hour and 36 minutes before sunrise. Yogis, monks, meditators, and sages believed this was the most powerful time for meditation, concentration, memory, spiritual growth, and inner peace. But here's the strange part. They discovered this long before neuroscience, sleep science, or brain imaging technology existed. So the question is, how did they know? Modern science now shows that the brain passes through unique states in the early morning hours. Just before sunrise, the world is quieter, darker, cooler, and calmer. But something even more important happens inside the body. Melatonin, the hormone linked to sleep and deep relaxation, is still active. Cortisol, the hormone that prepares us for daytime activity, is slowly beginning to rise. This creates a rare transitional brain state, not fully asleep, not fully active. And in this state, the mind becomes calmer, more focused, less distracted, and more aware. Scientists studying meditation have found that quiet mental states become easier when external stimulations is low, which means before sunrise, the brain naturally becomes more receptive to meditation. Ancient Indians didn't only observe the human mind, they observed nature itself. Before sunrise, there is less noise, pollution, lower human activity, cooler air, and a slower environment. Even today, many people notice something unusual at dawn, a feeling of stillness. Ancient yogic traditions believed this stillness directly influenced the mind. And modern psychology agrees. The human brain is deeply affected by its environment. Fewer distractions mean fewer mental interruptions, which may explain why meditation feels easier during early morning hours. Join the 5-minute meditation challenge. Experience the ancient practice of breathing at dawn. Transform your mornings and your mind. Practices like pranayama, chanting, and silent meditation were often performed during dawn. Today, science shows controlled breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the system responsible for relaxation and calmness. Slow breathing can reduce stress, slow the heart rate, and quiet mental activity, which means ancient meditation techniques may have been influencing the nervous system all along, even without modern scientific terminology. But for ancient Indian sages, meditation before sunrise was never only about biology. They believed dawn represented transition, darkness into light, silence into activity, unconsciousness into awareness. In many traditions, this was seen as the perfect symbolic moment to turn inward. And perhaps that's why, across generations, so many spiritual traditions around the world continue to meditate at dawn. Because sometimes ancient wisdom and modern science are not opposites. They are simply two different ways of understanding the same reality. Tomorrow morning, before the world wakes up, try sitting in silence for just 5 minutes and observe what happens. If you enjoyed this exploration of science and ancient wisdom, subscribe for more videos